borrow this chair.
Dude, I want to...
Alright, I mean, we're good.
Okay, are we set?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah. One second, let me adjust this. Alright.
Alright, well, we're here today on, home cooking with,
Ahti Mages.
Ahti Mages. And, we're gonna show you how to make a Cheeto taco. Alright, well, you start off by taking some, your favorite Provolone cheese from your, local market. You take your cheese.
Oh, that looks... Alright, here.
Just layer... No, I want this one.
Why?
This one's for me.
Alright, I'll
here, wait,
one
actually, I got a thin slice here. Hang on.
You got one for me?
Yeah, I can get you a slice out of here.
Oh,
It's
don't
very
break them.
thin.
Don't break them.
It's very thin.
Alright, thank
Okay.
you.
Well, you take some cheese, you lay it in your hand.
Oh, it's too bright. I can't, like, see it.
Provolone cheese.
Provolone.
And then you take some Cheetos, you just kind of layer them in your cheese. Like,
you know, just, like, lay them in there.
Like,
and then...
layer them in there. And then, you all set?
Hold on.
Okay. Then after
I need some more. Hold
after you layer, you're gonna roll it up
like
a taco. Like that. And then it kind of like is like a roll, you know? And then you eat it.
Mmm. Unbelievable.
Very good. It's like a creamy, but like yet crunchy flavor.
You know, it's kind of tangy. Yeah.